Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Well, today we are going to implement the add name screen, which is this screen that you see in the complete app. But first, we will fix a little issue in the video or in the last video, which is this one. In text field password, if I write here, as you can see the text, the password should be hidden, so I will replace text field with secure field, which is this one. Now if I write, as you can see, what I'm written is hidden, which is how a password should be. Now the next step will be to go to our view, to a new file and SwiftUI view, and let's call it AddName view. Okay, in my AddName view, I will create a V stack with an alignment of dot leading, spacing of 20. Okay, and to this V stack, as you can see, we got a toolbar item on the top bar leading, so dot toolbar, and as always the one I hate. Okay, replace it this way. It will be toolbar item with dot top bar leading, and it will be image with system name arrow dot backward, and it will be with image scale of dot large. Okay, perfect. I will also add dot padding, and after my toolbar I will give also background of color system gray 5, color dot system gray 5. Okay, perfect. Another thing also, I will add environment slash dot dismiss and private var dismiss, and to my image I will add dot on top gesture, and I will call dismiss. And if some of you are asking why we don't see the changes, it's because we don't have a navigation stack here. But let's go to our login view, and as you can see, create new account. It should not be a button, it should be a navigation link. So let's create a navigation link. Okay, navigation link with destination and label, and for the destination it will be add name view with back button hidden, which is this one, navigation bar back button hidden. And for the label I will take this text and cut it and paste it here. We don't need our button here anymore. And if I now click on create new account, as you can see I have my back button. If I click on it, I'm back. That's perfect, that's what I want. So let's go back to our view, and now we will be implementing the V stack. So first thing will be a text, which will be what's your name. It will have a font of dot title 2 and a font weight of dot semi-bold, and of course a padding of dot top. Okay, perfect. Then we got this one, so it will be another text. It will be enter the name you use in real life, so enter the name you use in real life. it will have a font of dot footnote and okay, perfect. And then I will have an A stack, so it will be an A stack, and inside my A stack I will have this one, which will be a text field. It will be first name, and for the text I will add a view model. I will call it registration view model, so it will be a Swift file. It will be called registration view model. Okay, and here I will make a class. It will be called registration view model of type observable object, and inside my registration view model I will have add published var first name of type string, and it will have an empty string as default value, and I will also have add published var family name. It will be also a string, and it will also have an empty string as a default value. And here in my add name view, and I will have private var view model of type registration view model, or no need for this, equals directly, it's better, registration view model. And here we will have dollar view model. Okay, and for some reason is unable to see it. Dollar view model dot first name. Okay, and I made the mistake as usual I forgot to make it add state object. So now hopefully it will see it, and now we will use the view modifier that we created in the last video. So we will add dot custom text field view modifier, and I will need a geometry reader. So in my v stack, or it's commented, for some reason it doesn't exist embed if it's not commented. So embed inside v stack, it will be geometry reader. It will have proxy in, and here it will be, let's write proxy dot size dot width divided by 2 and plus 5. Let's place it inside parentheses. Okay, perfect, I think, or needs a space. Okay, perfect. I will also make another text field. It will be the same, and this one will be surname, and it will have view model dot family name, and between the both of them there will be a spacer. Okay, perfect, I think that's what we need. After that A stack, I will need to have this button. So it won't be a button, it will be a navigation link. So navigation link, and let's make it take us text to age view. For now it will be text age view, and for the label it will be text, call it next dot font of dot subheadline, and the font weight of dot semi-bold, and it will also have a background of dot blue, and it will also have a foreground style of dot white. Okay, perfect. And I will also give it a frame with width and height. For the width it will be proxy dot size dot width minus 25, and for the height it will be 44, and it will have a clip shape of rounded rectangle. So clip shape rounded rectangle with a corner radius of 30. Okay, perfect. And I will give it dot padding of dot vertical. Okay, perfect. Now we will have after that a spacer, and after the spacer I will have a text. It will be this one. Already have an account, so already have an account, and already have an account will be inside an A stack, and it will be between two spacer. Perfect. And it will have a font of dot subheadline and a font weight of dot semi-bold. Okay, perfect. If I go now from my login view and check the code I implemented for now, as you can see, I can click on create new account. I got this, which is very similar to the final app. Okay, I forgot to give it a foreground style of dot blue. So here it will be dot foreground style of dot blue. Now if I go to my login view and from here click on create new account, I found myself in what's your name. If I click on next, I find myself in the age view that we will be implementing in the next video. So if I write here AA and go next, it's this one, it's how old are you, and in the next video hopefully we will try to implement at least these two screens. So anyway, if you liked the video, please like the video. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.